What's up YouTube? Welcome to this channel and I hope everybody's doing great and having fun. If you're not, watch this video because this is fun. And I just want to say, if you guys enjoy the content on this channel, consider subscribing by hitting that red subscribe button and joining the family. You might as well just hit that bell icon as well. So let's get right into the video. So we're today turning ourselves into a chibi version. And if you have a sketchbook and a pen, go grab them because we're gonna do this together. But if you just want to watch me do it for fun, that's fine as well. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Okay, if you have seen a chibi version of anybody, for example an actor or a famous person, celebrities, then you're likely to notice that their head is as big as their whole body, right? So that is the whole concept of the chibi version. So let's just open the drawing app and let's go ahead and do, and I will throw in a few tips and tricks at you, so if you notice it, just grab them and write it down or just follow me. Alright, let's go start it. Okay, so for today I'm going to be using a picture of mine and turn it into a chibi version. So this is the picture that I'm going to use today, and let me just put it in the side right here. And so let's create another tab. So as I said, if you've seen a chibi version of anybody, their head is as big as their whole body. So if you're looking to learn and know how to draw in a chibi version, then I'm gonna show you just that. So the first thing that I like to do when drawing a chibi version of myself is draw two same size. It don't have to be exact, but two big circles. You know where this is going, right? So next thing is I'm gonna look at my picture for reference, and what I like to do is draw a line. For example, I'm facing this way, right? So there's gonna be line right in the middle indicating which way I'm facing. So let's just draw the line right here. And you can also draw a line to determine where the eye is going to be. It's much easier for you, so let's just do that. And you can also draw this right in the middle to indicate where the ear is going to be. And you just go in and do it. So I'm gonna show you how I do it, and hopefully you will learn something. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, so here we have the rough sketch of how my chibi version is going to be. As you can tell right now, the head is as big as his whole body. So after this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna choose an inking pen and just go over them and make my final outline. Then I'm gonna start coloring it. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so this is the final drawing. Now I'm going to start going and coloring and doing everything else. So far it's looking good. What y'all think though? Is this good? Let me know. Leave a comment. So let's jump right into the coloring. So this is the final drawing. Now I was very bad at picking the color for my backpack. I didn't want it to be too dark, so that's why I give it a little bit lighter color. I'm really bad at picking color, and even my eye color is not as brown as how it shows, but it's not really dark too. My eyes is brown, so I wanted that to show there. So I gave him a really light brown eye, and I also gave him my earring, which is cool. I like that. And basically this is how it turned out. Now I'm very happy with it. This is exactly how I wanted it, and I hope you guys found it useful too. And I just try to give you some tips and tricks, but if I miss anything and you guys want me to go over anything else, just let me know in the comment down below and I'll make sure to get back to you guys. But so this was the end, and I hope y'all enjoy it and learn something today, and I hope you guys are doing fantastic. So peace.